is to download the genome, and that is what we are going to use. So I'll show you how you can also download this same data, this reference genome here, using Python. So let's go back to the terminal and I'll show you that. So when you're on the terminal, let's just type Python. We have already installed it, so I'll just go straight to the points. If you have already obtained the reference genome, then you can skip this section. So take note. But if you want to learn more, why not just follow my lead? So we have Python, we also have the libraries we need, and so what we will do is to import them. So we will say from bio import entrance. So we are using the BioPython package. So with the BioPython package, we have the entrance and then the seq.io models. So these are the two models we will use to get the genome. With entrance, you also need to supply it with your email address. So we say entrance.email because bioinfocoach@bioinfo.com. So it should be in quotes. This is a strange data type. So if you start with single quotes, it should end with single. If it's double, it ends with double. So we have the email also added. Now we can download the genome. So we have this command here. We say handle equals entrance.efetch. We are fetching from the web. And then we give this information here. We have DB, which is new call. Let's spell it correctly. So we have it this way. Then the ID, which is the accession ID. Let's go back. So this is accession ID. So you can just use that. I'll put it in the description box as well. So you need that information. So we say ID equals CP000325.1. That is the accession ID. It should also be in quotes. They are strange data types. Then the rest type here will be FASTA. We want the FASTA formats. Ret mode here, we will just say text. So we have it this way. So now we can run this to download the data. Okay, so the efetch command has been executed. So what we will do next is to put our data in shape so that we can export it. And so we will say record equals seq.io.read. And then we indicate the objects. So that is handle. And then we indicate the format we want, which is FASTA. So now we can run this command. Okay, so now the data is ready to be exported. So we say seq.io.write. That is how we are going to export this to a file. And then we indicate our record, and then we also indicate the output name, which is agy99.fasta. And then we indicate the format, which is FASTA. Then we run this. So now it has been done. The one here is just telling us the number of sequences that were written to a file. So now it's there. Let's quit Python. And then we can now do an ls to check. And you see that we have it also there. So that's how we do it. Let's just do a quick exploration here. Let's just say head-n5. Yeah, just to get it here. Okay, so there we have the reference genome here, which is cool for us. So, I mean, we are good to go. So, a good job to everyone. Now we can proceed. So let's